Greetings, fellow garden enthusiasts. Today we embark on a fascinating journey to explore ESCOBARIA leei, a remarkable cactus species that thrives in the arid regions of the United States. Join us as we unveil the intriguing history, unique characteristics, and essential insights into cultivating this extraordinary living organism. ESCOBARIA leei, commonly known as Lee's dwarf cactus, named in honor of the renowned American botanist Alvin Lee. This captivating cactus is native to the Chihuahuan Desert of New Mexico and Texas. Behold the splendor of ESCOBARIA leei, a petite and charming cactus belonging to the Cactiaceae family. Downing cylindrical stems adorn its spines. This diminutive beauty grows up to 2-3 inches tall. Its vibrant flowers range in color from soft pinks to striking purples, adding a touch of elegance to any arid landscape. Caring for ESCOBARIA leei demands emulating its natural habitat. Ensure it basks in full sunlight and thrives in sandy, well-draining soil. This cactus prefers warm temperatures and is moderately cold hardy, making it an ideal addition to rock gardens and desert-themed landscapes. Integrate Lee's dwarf cactus into your xeriscape garden alongside other desert treasures like Echinocactus, opuntia, or agave. The harmonious union of these resilient plants creates a striking and low-maintenance landscape. ESCOBARIA leei boasts both ornamental and ecological significance. Its charming appearance makes it a delightful addition to succulent collections, while also providing habitat and sustenance for various pollinators, such as bees and butterflies. There you have it. Captivating exploration of the history and native range, description, growing conditions and requirements, companion planting, and uses of ESCOBARIA leei, better known as Lee's dwarf cactus. Embrace the allure of this dainty desert gem in your gardening endeavors, and stay tuned for more enthralling episodes featuring an array of captivating living organisms. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel to stay updated with our latest content. Happy gardening!